It was the darkest period in Magadha, especially for women in Magadha. Dhanananda was abducting young girls. Chanak learnt that Shaktar had been arrested and his family was under house arrest. Chanak could not wait till morning because he knew he would get arrested soon. As midnight approached, Chanak lit a lamp and rallied the people. The sounds of "Down, down, Nanda" was heard loudly by Nanda and instructed to kill Chanak. There stood courageous and brave Chanak addressing the people. An iron arrow hit his chest. People began to run helter-skelter for safety. King learnt that Chanak was dead. So he ordered that Chanak's head must be chopped off and hung on the banyan tree near the Ganga river. Learning about all this, Katyayan, that is Chanak's student, went to a secret place and sent a letter to Vishnu through a trustworthy messenger. Vishnu, who had just reached Kusumpur, received a letter. It said, "Your father is unwell. Return immediately after making arrangements for your mother to stay in Kusumpur, Vishnu." Vishnu had just reached Kusumpur. The letter did not mention that his father was dead. Instead, it mentioned he was unwell. It also mentioned that he needed to meet Nayak, the local head of Kusumpur. Now Vishnu went ahead and met Nayak. Now this Nayak, who had also received the letter from Katyayan, promised to Vishnugupta that he would look after his mother and then made arrangements to send Vishnu back to Pataliputra. Unknown about his father's death, unknown about what has happened in Pataliputra, Vishnu hurriedly went ahead to Pataliputra. Vishnu now reached the secret place where Katyayan was staying. Vishnu asked Katyayan what happened to my father and why he was asked to come here and not meet his father. Katyayan replied that his father was no more. What? Vishnu's heart sank and went to silence for a while, processing what just Katyayan had uttered. With choked voice, he asked, "How? What happened?" Katyayan then explained everything in detail. After a pause, Katyayan said, "Vishnu, you must do the last rites of your father." Vishnu then said, "First I need to make Nanda quit his throne." Katyayan came forward and held his shoulder and said, "Vishnu, if Nanda learns that you are here, he will kill you. You cannot make a decision in this state of mind. Please calm down. Your father committed the same mistake. You must learn to never let your opponent know your next move. Not only Magad, but whole of Aryavarta is divided into small kingdoms. You need a force before cleansing Magad. Shukraniti says you must first procure Sanjeevani before allowing your people to face death." Upon saying this, he also says that Vishnu should perform last rites of his father. He explained what he needs to do and also asks Vishnu to go to Takshashila for further studies. Vishnu accepted and prepares to leave. But he then turns back and says, "Vishnu does not exist. It is Chanak's son, Chanakya from now on." It was just sound of Ganga river flowing and the darkness around. Just this sentence was heard. It was birth of Chanakya from here. Vishnugupta witnessed certain changes in him. He bids a goodbye to Katyayan and leaves. Rowing the boat in Ganga river, Chanakya approached the banyan tree. Upon seeing the guard asleep, he climbed the tree fast and took his father's head in his hand. The tears held till now rolled down his cheeks. He then composed himself and rode to the temple as instructed by Katyayana. Now, no cold could bring chills to him. He rode fast towards the temple. After reaching the temple, the priest guided him to perform his father's last rites. After which, he gave Chanakya a bag full of gold coins, which he will need to reach Takshashila. This Takshashila is now in modern Pakistan. Rowing down the Ganga, Chanakya left behind his past, carrying with him the dreams of a brighter future. With wisdom as his weapon and courage as his shield, the boy Vishnu had now transformed into Chanakya, the man who would one day become the legendary kingmaker. The great Chanakya went ahead to Takshashila University and studied, after which he also taught there as a teacher. He made a great name as Acharya Chanakya there, and even his name was heard in Magad afterwards. He came back to Nanda dynasty, where still Maharaja Dhanananda was ruling it. Then, Maharaja Dhanananda, when Acharya Chanakya came to the court, insulted him. Now, this story we all know, and it is not an untold story. We all know that Acharya Chanakya was insulted by Maharaja Dhanananda, after which Acharya Chanakya pledged that he will not tie his hair up until he bring down Nanda dynasty and establish dharma in Magadha. He also wanted to create Akhand Bharat. We all know the aftermath story. What it is? Yes. Acharya Chanakya went ahead and made Chandragupta Maurya as an emperor after bringing down Nanda dynasty. Now that's a whole new story which I will cover in a different episode. That's all for today. But yes, wait for the part 3 where you will learn about Chanakya's Niti, the life lessons which you can apply for this 2025 year.